coming in hot. Rem, we're gonna do a Yui here. Ooh, Tokyo. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back at it, and today we're doing a little something different. We're walking little Remy boy here with the DJI Avata 2. So let's see. Let's go for a little ride, a little cruise. Let's try not to hit anything. Whee! Let's see if he likes it. Where's the dog? Hold on. There he is. Let's try. Whee! You happy? Let's go chase him. Let's go hunting. Let's go this way, Ram. Whee! Tokyo Drift. Huh? Where's the dog? I'm gonna go hunt him. We'll go hunting. Oh, there he is. See how fast this thing goes. Whoa, full speed ahead. Yee-hoo. What's this? There's a bird's nest up here, I think. Let's look. And the highway, and downtown St. Pete. There's a bird's nest right about here. Let's see. Whoa, that's a beautiful sight. Yee-hee. Where's that bird's nest? There it is. Oh, high wind velocity. Watch this. Oh, there's a bird going down. Oh! Whoa, and we're off to the races. Rem! I want to practice some different turns. Let's see. Go up, 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 up. Whoa, towards the sun. Ow! And where's the? Let's practice this. This is called the deep dive. And we're coming in hot. Ew. Where's the dog? Where's the dirty dog? Whoa. Whoa, coming in hot. Rem, we're gonna do a Yui here. Ooh, Tokyo. Damn, this thing stops on a freaking dime. Going up. And down we're going. Woo. Ah, it's so sweet. Watch this. Feel like a freaking. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And we're coming around. Alright, we're gonna do a Yui here. Look at this weird painting. Whoa, look at this thing. That's one ugly mug. Loop around this tree. Look at this highway. Let's go around it. Whoa, okay, now I win, baby. Alright, come back. Let's loop around this thing. Whoa, and we're coming back down. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Whee! Whoa, up. Whoa. Let's crash there. Don't do that. Let's see if it turns on the brake. Whoa, it turns too strong. Alright, anyways, that was a good ride. It was actually my first time pushing the Avata. I know it has a lot more to give. But that was a sweet little flight. Tested it out, and I got the landing gear. So we should be able to land on the grass. Let's see. Without touching the twigs. Let's see. Sheesh, that was sweet. Alright then. And this thing. The landing gear. You gotta get. Oops. You need the landing gear, so that way you can land anywhere. I never got the firehouse lights on here, front and side. Sweet setup. Watch this. If I click this button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, just police lights. That's sick. That's awesome. But yes, get yourself an Avata 2 and a good dog named Remy. Love you. Bye bye.